Guys, change of plans. We are watching Crime Patrol Dhak Dhak. Most embarrassing moment of my entire life just happened right now. Hi guys, just got done with the spa. Some
I just always keep on saying hi whenever you switch on the camera.
Tamil Nadu. Chale.
Chicken chili, paneer chili, veg spring roll, chicken spring roll.
Hey, this is not
उसके भी काजल आते हैं.
So I'll just update you. We reached here at 1:15 p.m. Then we had lunch. Then we got our rooms now, and we quickly took a spa appointment. So we have our spa appointment tomorrow at 5 p.m. So now, since we have had lunch, we are just chilling around, looking at the property. First impressions, guys.
Go ahead.
Wow. Is the washroom cool? Shower area. I was expecting a bathtub, but okay. Then is the cupboard with iron board and full length, full size mirror. Wow, this is the best part. I love coming to resorts and hotels only for the rooms. Let's see the view, guys. Okay, it's not bad. It's pretty amazing. I love the view. Though I'm just going to get to see people in other rooms and invade their privacy. But okay, I love it. For 3 days, it's amazing. Now finally I can remove my mask. I'll see you all once I've freshened up and stuff. So I'll just show you what all have I carried. I've not carried any makeup. This is like a full makeup free weekend trip. Okay, so I've not carried any makeup. I've only carried lipstick. Now I'm like, why did I even carry lipstick? Because I'm going to be wearing mask the entire time. And for skincare, I only carried one sheet mask because I'm like, ghar pe to I don't get time to do sheet mask and everything that regularly. So now at least here that I've come to chill and rejuvenate and stuff, I'll just make use of that sheet mask. So literally I've only carried one face wash and one sheet mask. Like, face wash is my only skincare right now that I've carried here. This has my toothbrush and all the toiletries and stuff. Let's take out our PJs. So now I'm gonna change into these. Actually, I remembered I've carried this t-shirt to especially wear after we reach here, like change into. Washed my face, changed into comfy t-shirt on my bed now. Samya.
Hi.
Now look what we are doing. Samya is watching news, which she never does when we are at home. आज ही बस न्यूज़ देख रही है because I'm vlogging. है ना सौम्या? What are you doing?
I'm surfing the channels.
Play तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा.
Friends लगा है तो. But the channel has a problem.
Play तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा. What say, guys? Guys, change of plans. We are watching Crime Patrol Dhak Dhak. सतर्क रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. Soumya is fully dressed. I know it is not Dhak Dhak, but I don't know what is it. I know it's not Dhak Dhak, but I'm not sure what is it actually. Crime Patrol, something. It's just there. So I just say Dhak Dhak every time. Soumya, do you want to watch Comic Stan on Amazon Prime?
हो मला बघायचंय but
लॅपटॉप काढ ना तुझा.
नाही
का?
नाही लॅपटॉप आता नाही. आय एम चिलिंग ऑन द बेड.
अरे यार मग कसं बघणार?
1 तासानंतर बघू. लेट मी स्लीप फॉर 1 hour.
Hi guys, just woke up from the very long nap and now we'll be going to our parents' room to have tea and everything. I can't even open my eyes, I'm still sleepy, but okay. Guys, the most embarrassing moment of my entire life just happened right now. Oh god, I feel so pathetic. I called my dad's room and I started talking, and after like a whole good one whole sentence and stuff, that person is like, hello, whom do you want to talk to? The room number of my parents' room was 218 and I dialed 219, and that person who answered the call exactly sounded like my dad. And then I started talking, and then after like me completing my whole sentence, that person is like, hello, who do you want? This is room number 219. And I'm like, guys. And for actually, the thing that I wanted to ask is that, is my mom going to wear the matching skirt to the top that I have? So my mom and me have I have a top made and my mom has a skirt made of the same fabric. So I was just asking if my mom is going to wear that skirt so that I could wear that top, so that we could like twin. And I just said all of this, and then that guy is like, who do you want to talk to? And now, even if like my identity could have remained unknown, but now if he happens to see me and my mom wearing the matching top and the skirt, he's gonna know it's me who called, and I can't. I just someone help me, guys. I feel so bad. As much as I'm trying to make peace with the fact that that person whom I called by mistake is going to see me, I still decided to wear the matching top. So this is the top that my mom has a skirt made out of. I'm wearing the cherry blossom pants that my friends very kindly gifted me on my birthday, and they are thrifted, so what better than that for me as a birthday gift. This is what my outfit is going to be for the dinner. Carried this sling bag from Doobie because I think it's just so convenient if you just want to carry your key card and mask and hand cream and lip balm. That's it, like, and phone. But I prefer keeping phone in my pocket because you are not really supposed to keep your key card and phone together. So I'm just gonna keep my key card here and then the rest of the stuff here. So I think it's really a convenient size for such kind of things. So now just the two of us have come niche to chill up for a bit, and I'll just show you around. They've decorated everything so beautifully. Just have a look. Sitting by the pool, chilling. I don't think the pool is open for like actually swimming, but there are people coming fully clothed, like properly clothed, and chilling, and I'm one of them. Now we are back in the room after our dinner, and now I'm going to take a nice hot shower with all the shower gels. So hi, say hi.
Hi everyone again.
With all the shower gels and stuff provided by the hotel. Just like, took a shower. I smell so good. The shower gel that they have kept like they've provided us with smells amazing. So I feel like staying in the shower only. And my college has sent me the timetable for the upcoming week. So now I'm going to, like I showed in my first vlog how I write down my schedule for the upcoming week. I'm going to do that. This is so crazy that the November, like my week was so busy from November 1st to 7th to like 11th, because my vacation started from 12th. And look at my planner 12th onwards. Literally, I didn't do anything. So it's 20th of November right now, and my college starts from Monday. So this is again going to be busy. But then look at the amount of chilling I did in this whole week. That's crazy, guys. Hi guys, so I brushed my teeth. I put a braid because I always sleep in a braid, and now I'm watching Comic Stan, and after that I'm obviously going to sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye, good night. Guys, so I had my breakfast. I woke up at 9:30. No, 9:30 I woke up at 9:30, then I freshened up, brushed and stuff, went to have the breakfast, and then we were chilling at our parents' room for some time. Then we were chilling in my Ajay Abu's room for some time, and now we are finally back in our room. I couldn't vlog the moment I woke up because I was literally like, I was not in the human zone by that time. Now Soumya is going to go take a shower, and I'm going to chill and maybe watch some TV, then again chill. I just love today. It's all about chilling. Hi guys, so we just had our lunch and we clicked a few pictures since this is like a full makeup free weekend trip. I'm not wearing any makeup and too much of sunlight honestly, and I don't have my shades with me. And now we are back in the room. I have my spa appointment at 5 o'clock, so before that I'm going to take a tiny siesta, and I'll see you all when I wake up. Hi guys, just got done with the spa. Dude, it was amazing. I felt like this should never get over. Hi guys, just returned from the spa. What an experience, guys. So I forgot to vlog while going to the spa because I just woke up from my nap like that and changed and quickly ran off. So basically I could not vlog while going there, but the overall experience was amazing. Obviously the name of my massage was Revive and Rejuvenate, and I absolutely feel like that. So I realized that in this vlog I'm not really doing anything, like I'm not showing you all stuff of me doing any activities. You're just seeing me talk. So I thought I'm making coffee so I'll just vlog it for y'all. It's nothing interesting or nothing special about it. So here's me making coffee for Soumya and myself, and let's start. So first I'm taking 2 cups, and we have Nescafe ka sachets over here and sugar sachets and even creamers. Okay, so first we are gonna put coffee na, Soumya? Look how it looks, guys. Is this normal? So the second one is fine, absolutely fine. It felt like a powder. Okay, so now we are gonna go ahead with the creamer as told by some. Oh! Some. Oh! Some. Okay, so we have put the milk powder, coffee and sugar, and now we'll be putting the water. Nah? I think I'll have to add more milk powder as well. It looks very watercolor water. Wanna say hi, Soumya?
No, I just always keep on saying hi whenever you switch on the camera.
Let's do some fun thing now. Let's add some fun element. I'm just putting thoda extra sugar. We'll put half. Soumya नको पिऊस ते खूप कडू लागेल. Sugar घाल.
Let's.
Soumya नको पिऊस ते खूप कडू लागेल. Sugar घाल.
Let's. The entire mug is sticky here. Where all have you dropped the milk powder? Huh?
Dude,
Everywhere except the cup.
Not except the cup. Shut up. How's the coffee taste?
It's good. So you can make it now, from now on at home.
Let's play that game. Name 5. So basically, I will say, for example, name 5 states in India. You have to quickly, like in 5 seconds, not 5 seconds, but like quickly name 5 states. That's like an example.
Coffee with Kanaka.
Yes! Coffee with Kanika. So guys, I'm going first or you going first? You go first. I'll ask you.
I'm the guest. You are the host now. Coffee with Kanaka.
Wait. Name 5 colors.
Red, yellow, green, blue, violet.
Okay.
What nonsense question is this?
You ask first then.
Name 5 state capitals.
Mumbai, the Gandhinagar, Tamil Nadu. No, Chennai. Wait. Mumbai, Gandhinagar, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram, Trivandrum, whatever, and Lucknow.
Okay. But we didn't set a time limit, so...
It's like I can't say 5 things in 5 seconds, but I literally said it back
but
to
you
back.
said Tamil Nadu, so that way you actually took a second time. But anyways, I'll leave you.
Okay, next I'm asking. Name 5 characters of The Office.
Pam, Jim, Michael, Dwight, Angela. I didn't even watch Office completely.
She doesn't even watch Office. It's literally
I know.
me watching and she's like thoda knows the context and stuff.
How many times have you seen a geography book?
Hey, don't take like studies or like questions. See how fun questions are.
That question already
ask,
you lost. Like simple, basic, third standard question.
Next question, jaldi say before I run out of storage.
Oh right. Wait. 5 hotels in Mumbai.
What the hell? Okay, Sai Palace, Orchid, Ibis, Westin, Grand Sarovar.
Yes. I should have asked name 5 hotels in North Mumbai.
Hey,
South
shut up!
Mumbai.
I would have kicked you out of this coffee with
Or near the airport.
I would have kicked you out of this coffee with Kanaka. Okay, me na next.
Yeah.
Name 5 starters.
Chicken chili, paneer chili, veg spring roll, chicken spring roll.
Hey, this is not
Okay. Chicken chili, paneer chili, veg spring roll, chicken lollipop, and paneer tikka.
टेस्ट से पनीर चिली के जगह कुछ और बोल.
अच्छा, पनीर चिली की जगह
जल्दी.
ड्राई मंचूरियन.
That's not.
गोभी मंचूरियन.
That is not a starter.
That is हरा भरा कबाब. चल.
Okay. Cool.
Name 5 Italian dishes.
Pasta, pizza, spaghetti. No way, that's risotto. It's risotto. Okay, ravioli. What is the 5th one?
Lasagna.
Guys. Okay.
I'm clearly winning this one.
Shut up. Name 5 beauty brands. You can't read that. You can't read.
Okay, but I already had it.
Okay, just say.
Okay, Maybelline, Lakme. Oh, I know them.
Then say.
Oh wait.
Okay, 5 सेकंड का गेम था, मतलब back to back बोलना था. Please. Italian में I did better. I like.
But you eat them. I don't do makeup all day. Okay, Maybelline, Lakme, Himalaya. उसके भी काजल आते हैं.
Okay, आगे.
And then
Dude. Out.
Oriflame. Can I say that?
बस हो गया. We both lost 1 point. So now the score is like equal.
Name 5 cooking YouTube channels.
What the hell? I don't even watch it.
Okay. Name 5 YouTube channels which I watch.
Okay, Kavita's Kitchen.
I don't watch.
Okay, Priya Khadse. What? Terrace Kitchen.
हाँ.
Terrace Kitchen. Slay Point. Shivesh, Cooking with Shivesh. Baking with Shivesh. Kanaka Pandit. And Gopali.
Yes.
Okay, name 5 latest web series that we have watched together.
Bandish Bandits, Comic Stan, The Office.
Yeah, we didn't watch it together.
I watched thoda.
No. Okay, latest movies come web series what are that we watched together, just the two of us. हो गया 5 सेकंड का गेम था ये हो
You
गया.
also said Tamil Nadu, okay.
अरे but I understand.
Okay, wait.
And the clear winner is
Oh no.
Kanaka Pandit. Okay, this is the end of this
Achha, you tell now which were the 5 latest. I am very eager to know.
Bandish Bandits, Comic Stan.
Nice.
Yeah, name 5 Ghibli movies that we have watched together.
Ocean Waves, Howl's Moving Castle.
We have not watched it together.
We have, na?
No.
Achha, I and Mom watched that.
And even that first.
Princess Mononoke,
Huh.
Totoro.
Huh. My Neighbor Totoro.
My Neighbor Totoro.
Come on, the first one.
I'm also trying. That ghost wala.
Spirited Away. So anyways,
Kaguya.
she lost the game because we discussed and answered.
Anyways, I'm the elder, I'm the bigger person, so let her win. Kanaka wins. Coffee with Kanaka.
Bas. Okay,
I've got a lot of work to do, I'm going.
Yeah, so this was an end of us embarrassing ourselves in front of y'all. Okay. And now I'll see y'all next when I go for dinner, maybe. I don't know. So we are ready for dinner. If you guys think why are we changing so many outfits, because guys,
In a day.
it's because in this lockdown we didn't get any chance to wear all these clothes. So now we are utilizing them. So we are wearing these. Hi guys, so we reached back to our room after dinner, and since today is the last night, and we are checking out tomorrow at around 12 p.m. Now it's the thing that we all dislike doing the most is packing up our bags. So I'm doing that now. Do you want to see the mess? So you have to see the mess. So this is my shirt that I wore while coming. This is the shirt that I was wearing right now before dinner. These are my cherry blossom pants. These are the PJs that I'm going to wear tonight after shower. And this is the t-shirt I'm again going to wear tonight after shower. This is what I wore yesterday. This is what I wore today before lunch. For lunch. This is Soumya stuff. This is the set shirt. Hi guys, so now I just came back from the shower and now Soumya and I are going to put sheet mask on our face. Soumya is using this sheet mask from Nykaa. It's the ginseng and apricot for blemish free and youthful skin, and I'm using the Tony Moly tea tree skin soothing sheet mask. So we'll see y'all once we've put the sheet mask. Do you want to say hi?
Kitty, how many times I'm just saying hi. Hi.
So now we just took off our sheet mask and I can sense that my skin is glowing. I don't know how much can you see it on camera, but I really feel very refreshed. And I've put my braid because I'm doing Sone Ki Tayari. We are going to watch Comic Sun, then we are going to pass out. And tomorrow we'll be checking out, so I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Good night. Morning, guys. So today is Sunday and we are checking out at 12 o'clock. Feels terrible. Don't want to leave this place but have to. So now we are going for breakfast. Yeah, that's it. So now Samya, since it's our last day here, Samya and I are just chilling at the pool. I mean, there's no pool as such, it's like just water over here, and this is the pool, but it's shut for obvious reasons. So we are just chilling here now. So now we are getting ready to leave from here and stuff, and guess what happened? I was wearing this t-shirt and I packed everything, and this t-shirt got so camouflaged with the blanket and the bed, I literally ignored it, like I forgot this exists, and then I just saw, I'm like, oh wait, my t-shirt, I have to pack it. The trip has come to an end, so now we are going to check out in some time, and we are just waiting in the lobby because Sama is checking if she's got everything and stuff. And now we'll be moving downstairs. Our trip has come to an end. We are going to board the luggage. We're going to board the luggage in our car, and then we'll be heading home. So yeah, that's it. It's been one amazing getaway. Hi guys, I'm back home, and with that we come to an end to this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and please let me know whatever your thoughts are about this video in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this and hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.